should you get a master's or a PhD in quantum computation? Stick around and hopefully I can give my opinion on it and wonder if my master's degree was worth it. Let's do this. No cuts, no edits. Raw footage, bro. This is raw footage. No cuts. All right. Okay. So as mentioned before, today I'm going to try and answer the question of whether or not a master's degree in quantum computing is worth it versus getting a PhD. The master's degree definitely gives you an edge above a bachelor's. It's kind of like clear. You learn more. You definitely have more access to people maybe who are more experienced in the field than you would in a bachelor's degree. That being said, I don't think it gives you that much of an edge in the job market, to be honest with you. As you guys know, getting a job in this field is very difficult. In my last 2 years, I was pursuing my master's degree in quantum computing here, which is why I haven't posted clearly. But I feel like over the past 2 years, I've learned so much, and it seems like most of these companies, they want PhD students with at least maybe 1 or 2 publications under the belt. So I feel like in that way, if you're gonna manage this field and maneuvering in this field, I think getting a PhD would help you a lot in terms of getting a job and getting more opportunities in the field. That being said though, in my opinion, I do not feel like having a PhD gives you that much more knowledge, generally speaking, in the field, because a lot of people in my classes for masters were doctoral students. So I guess in my opinion, it doesn't really make a difference necessarily. You wanna learn the general knowledge. Up until a certain point, all the master's students and PhD students were in the same classes, which basically means that we were all getting the same general amount of knowledge. The people who were in the PhD programs, they basically just chose a professor and pursued a specific track in the field. So I feel like having a PhD, in my opinion, doesn't necessarily make you that much more smarter. You're so dumb. Doesn't make you more smart. It makes you more acute on a certain topic. I feel like if you want a job, definitely get a PhD. It's been hard for me, honestly, and I feel like putting a bunch of applications has been the norm for me and still having very little success. So to answer the question, was it worth it? Yes. Was it really worth it? Maybe not. And I feel like whatever you want to do, it's up to you. So yeah, I am making more videos as well. It's been a while. Make more videos on this channel. So stay tuned, please. Thank you very much and have a great rest of your day.